If you follow these 10 simple health tips for the next 30 days, your body will look, feel, and perform completely differently. And tip number 6 is what most people get wrong. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to lose fat, gain energy, and feel confident without complicated diets or crazy workouts, this video is for you. Your body wakes up dehydrated. Drinking water first thing in the morning boosts digestion and metabolism instantly. Aim for 1 to 2 glasses. Protein builds muscle, burns more calories, and keeps you full longer. Eggs, chicken, fish, lentils, yogurt. Walking is underrated. Just 20 to 30 minutes daily can improve fat loss, heart health, and mental clarity. No gym needed. Sugary drinks are silent fat gainers. Soda, packaged juices. Water, green tea, black coffee. No sleep equals no fat loss. 7 to 8 hours balances hormones and improves recovery. You don't need 2-hour workouts. 30 to 45 minutes of focused training beats lazy long sessions. Consistency wins. Even healthy food can cause weight gain if portions are too big. Eat slowly and stop when 80% full. Carbs are not the enemy, sugar is. Choose rice, oats, potatoes. Avoid sweets and processed snacks. High stress equals high belly fat. Deep breathing, short walks, or prayer help a lot. Missing one day won't ruin your progress. Quitting will. Small daily habits change everything. Your health doesn't change in one day, but it can change in 30 days if you stay consistent. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and comment fit if you want a full beginner workout plan.